welcome back to my podcast. And today's I invited my friends to tell their daily routine. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Sulis. Hi Sulis and Anya. Hi Anya. Alright, first thing first, I wanted to ask them how their daily routine and daily activity. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, how about you, Sulis? What the first thing you do when you wake up in the morning?
I take a shower, then I
Tidying up.
tidying up my bed. After I breakfast,
Okay, you usually breakfast before you go to campus. What kind of food do you usually have in your breakfast? Like rice,
rice,
rice, and then do you usually cook in your boarding house or you just take away some food?
Take away some food,
Okay, what kind of, is it chicken or something?
something else. Pokoknya something else, like chicken
And then-
some fruit.
Okay, so how healthy Silus are? I mean, yeah. Sulis. Okay, I apologize. Okay, and then how about you, Fanya? What the first thing you do when you wake up in the morning in your boarding house? Tell me more about it.
Okay, so guys, my daily routine in the morning is always start with I take a wudu and Fajar prayer.
Okay,
and then
you always do Fajr prayer.
always.
Masya Allah.
Masya Allah. Masya Allah.
And then followed by common daily like I taking a bath, brushing my teeth, washing my face, and preparing before to go to campus if there.
So you usually cooking in your boarding house?
Yeah, I'm in the morning always cooking because I don't have time to take away food in the
Food stall like that. Oh, so you how diligent you are. I mean, like I'm not that kind of fan when I need to wake up in the morning and cooking. I usually taking away some food. So you don't do like that.
How about you? What do you do in the morning?
Oh, what do I do in the morning? I usually wake up and I'm not tidying up my bed because I'm not that what kind of pecicilan. Yeah, like moving around in my bed, so I didn't have to make my bed. Sometimes I do, but I often tidying it up, and after that I'm taking a shower and just dressing up and waiting for Sulis to pick me up because I don't have motorcycle, so Sulis picking me up before I go to campus. And then after you go to the campus, what do you do in the class? Like taking notes or listening to the lecturer? How about you, Sulis?
Take a nose.
So you always taking notes.
Yes. And
Listen to your lecturer.
right.
Alright, I often saw you taking a picture of
Alright, take the picture.
the PPT.
Yeah, always.
Alright.
You always
do that.
taking a picture, and I usually want some picture from Sulis. So
Yeah, thank you, Sulis.
yeah, thank you,
Yes.
Sulis. How about you,
Anytime.
Anya?
I sometimes taking notes or sometimes I taking picture too of the PPT and then sometimes I sleep.
You sleep?
Really?
Wow!
Wow!
I'm surprised.
Wait, listen to me, guys.
Alright.
I mean, when is this morning so
Like 7 a.m. lectures, you always
Right.
sleep.
Yeah.
Like in Kak Sofyan tutors, you always sleep.
no,
What?
not always, but sometimes,
Sometimes.
just a few times,
Few
like
times, okay. Okay, I trust you. I trust you. I trust you.
Okay, sorry, ma'am. Okay.
Sofyan?
Sorry.
Well, actually, yeah, I do that sometimes, but I'm not sleeping like Anya in Kak Sofyan's shooter. I'm always
Makeup.
do my makeup in Kak Sofyan's class. So
Always.
always
in the morning.
So in the morning when 7 a.m. lecturers, I don't have time to to do my makeup. I always do my makeup at Kak Sofyan's class. So I'm sorry, Kak Sofyan. Okay, yeah.
Okay. Okay. After the campus, guys.
After in campus, yeah.
We going to
I'm you usually go to the canteen or just waiting for the lecturer in the campus.
going to canteen.
Okay, you're always going to canteen.
Right.
All right, same as me because I'm with you, yeah.
Yeah, partner.
Partner, we are partner. So what kind of food you usually buy in the canteen at the canteen?
Like chicken.
Chicken and then
Always
egg.
chicken.
Lily, okay, catfish.
Lily.
She likes catfish a lot.
Right.
Lily holy. Oh, okay, next.
Then how about you, Anya? Do you usually wait in the campus or go to the canteen, or you usually go home to your boarding house?
I break for lunch. Often I go to the canteen or I go out into
Your boarding house?
go out in my boarding house, and then sometimes I hang out with my friend like to the Kamal, to Full Team and others like
Okay. So you like you have like adventurer, right?
Right. Yeah.
I'm so adventure person.
Okay. I'm not. We are not like that. Yeah. We always sleep.
Sleep.
Sleep number one, guys.
After going to canteen, we sleep.
Oh, we sleep at my boarding house.
Yes.
Because my boarding house is nearer to the campus than Siluses. What's your name again? Sulises boarding house. So she always sleep on my boarding house.
Right.
Okay, wait guys. I take a shower and take a nap too after I hang out with my friends. So I love sleep too.
What do you have to take a shower again?
Because it's too hot.
Okay, Telang
It's
Suns
hot.
is too hot. Even when you
30
walking at 12 p.m. So you just like the sun is above our head, like
Right.
right.
Yeah.
So it's too hot for us.
Everyone have their son.
Their sun's love in their head,
In her.
in their head.
Okay.
And then after that we have class again, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Like usually we taking notes and take a picture of the PowerPoint and
Sometimes.
then what do you do after you what do you do after the class ended?
I'm sleeping.
Sleeping. Okay, sleeping number one for Silus. For Sulis, sorry.
Okay.
I always call her
next.
Silus, right? So what about you?
I do asar prayer, of course.
Masya Allah.
Masya Allah, tabarakallah, Masya Allah.
I do asar prayer and maybe I enjoy the sunset in
In your boarding house or you go to the Poltip again?
in my boarding house in third floor. Like
Oh, you have the third floor?
yeah,
Oh,
We
just
have-
know it loh.
we have third floor is for just for
The for the laundry.
Yeah.
I didn't knew it. I didn't knew it before you tell me.
you have to.
Well, actually, I'm not. I'm not interested in your boarding house because the owner.
Yeah, okay.
Stop it.
No,
Yeah, okay.
okay,
I'm sorry.
breathe,
I'm sorry.
okay.
Breathe. Okay, breathe.
Breathe.
Okay, guys. What do you do in the evening? Like, do you enjoy the sunset? Because I really love sunset. Like every day, I want to see sunset. Like change color sky.
Good at change
Oh, yeah.
color. Okay. Well, actually, I'm not a big fan of it, but I like rain a lot.
Oh, but same with Nadia. I don't like sunset. Oh, little lah.
Okay, you do have little
Yeah.
fan of sunset.
Not because fan sunset.
Why?
Because
Like boring.
yeah,
Oh,
boring.
boring.
Yeah.
Boring.
I like rain because in here in Kelang it's too hot, right?
Yeah,
So I like
yeah.
rain a lot. Like in 2 days, several days ago, Kelang is rain, right?
Right, right.
So I do like a lot rain because it can be comfortable to me.
But I think sometimes it kind of hard to go everywhere. Like because it's rain.
But I do like rain. Sometimes in here we have a flood, right? Flood. So I don't like it in here.
Yeah,
If here rain, we have flood.
UTM banjir.
UTM is on the floor.
Not only UTM, Kelang.
My boarding house.
Oh,
Really?
really?
Yeah.
You have the same boarding house as her.
But I'm not.
When we ospek. Yeah.
When you have the first day in here in ospek. What is it ospek in English? Mem Darul, correct me ya. I'm sorry, I don't know the phrases in English.
What is it? I don't know, ma'am. Sorry. Okay.
Okay, so
Back to the topic.
after you go to your boarding house, what do you do? Do you usually walking around or just sleeping
Before night.
before night?
We bring something cute. In
Pardon?
Kelang.
Oh,
Oui,
Guys.
we pardon. I can hear you. I can hear you.
We buy some food like
yeah, some
Oh
cute,
yeah,
some cute.
some food in Kelang,
Yeah,
right?
right.
Sometimes in Kamal.
Right. But we buy pancong always.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of pancong. Pancong is number
Oh,
one,
yeah. Oh my
especially the banana one, right?
Right.
Okay, bestie.
bestie.
Best.
Okay, guys.
What about you, Anya?
Maybe I just listening music, relax for me, like apa ya?
Like you
Take
usually
my time.
Mm.
Just sometimes, yeah. I buy terang bulan.
So you love terang bulan?
Yeah.
Okay,
The pancong.
you don't like it. Well, actually, I do more like pancong than terang bulan because I think terang bulan have
Mini.
have weird texture, so I don't like it.
Nah, this is a reason I don't like pancong because the texture is too.
Yeah, I know it's too munchy. Oh, not munchy like that. Gitu ya.
Yeah,
I knew it,
yeah.
but I can say it in English.
Okay, what flavor do you like, guys?
Banana. Always banana.
Yeah, we like banana.
Oh
banana.
I like.
Me, I love cheese.
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 Pancong cheese? Is
Not.
there,
There's no glazing in cheese
Cheese.
flavor.
Yeah.
I guess
Tiramisu.
tiramisu and then matcha,
Matcha.
but not
coklat.
cheese thing.
Just nothing.
I don't find it. And before you go to sleep, what did you do?
I took shower. I wash my face.
And then you just go to sleep.
Oh, And
Brushing
I
your
brush my-
teeth?
Yeah, and just going to sleep in my bed.
Okay, so
What about-
just common habit before sleep, right? What about you, Anya?
Maybe I scroll my phone or make a dinner. Make a dinner.
Always
or-
cooking in your boarding house. I like it.
I'm so.
You love cooking a lot.
I always buy
Maybe
some food.
I study for tomorrow.
Right.
You study for tomorrow.
Masya
What
Allah.
about you guys?
Oh yeah,
We have
me.
when we have homework.
Homework.
Oh yeah, okay. I
Me
always do the same thing
Yeah.
like Sulis and you. I always taking a bath and just doing my homework. Okay, that's it. I
Yeah,
guess.
that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Enough for today's podcast. Goodbye.
Bye guys.
Bye bye.